Here I've got Nokia 8.1 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first, open list of all applications, then find and select display, go to the wallpaper, and now just select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be one from your photos, on-device wallpapers or wallpapers album. So I will pick on-device wallpapers. Now just select the picture that you would like to cover your screen with. It can be this one, and once you decide, just click on Set Wallpaper. Finally, you have to choose if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. Let me pick both, wait a short while, and as you can see, from now on, this picture is covering both your lock screen and also home screen, so both of them. That's it. This is how you can change wallpaper in your Nokia. Enjoy it and change it whenever you want to. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.